The Ultimaker ecosystem is really essential for our organization since we target industrial customers and we really need this first-time right approach. And the open ecosystem of Ultimaker allows us to have a very good machine spread in the market and introduce easily our materials to the customers. So partnership between LEHVOSS and Ultimaker is already very strong. We are the first certified process which was done by TÜV, and this really brings the reproducibility, the reliability that the whole combination of machine materials have, and this brings really a lot of trust to the customer. The customer really can take a real advantage of this. Why? Because the customer don't need to do everything by themselves. We, as machine, as material, we really can add this value and make the customer a really smooth adoption. And this will save them time, will give them confidence that they're going to have always the first time right.